Let us start with the next method, and that is elimination method. Now before we start with the sums from the textbook, let us first understand the concept behind elimination method. Let's understand the method first. Now what is basically elimination method? What does the word elimination means? Elimination means removing. Now what are we supposed to remove? We need to remove one of the two variables. For example, we need to either remove x or we need to remove y. Now the question is, which variable can be removed? Out of the two variables x and y, which variable can be removed? Only that variable can be removed which is having the same coefficient. So the method is, we need to remove one of the variables, that variable which is having the same coefficient in both the equations. Logic is simple. 2x and 2x can be cancelled. 3x and 3x can be cancelled. 4y and 4y can be cancelled. But 2x and 3x cannot be cancelled. So when the coefficients are same, we can eliminate that variable. As simple as that. But now the question is, how to eliminate? We can eliminate the variable with the same coefficient either by adding or by subtracting. Now when to add and when to subtract the two equations? When the signs are same, we subtract the two equations. Same signs, subtract. When the signs are different, we add the two equations. Different signs, add. So remember this, signs are same, we subtract the two equations. Signs are different, we add the two equations. Now let's see a sum, to understand this in a better manner. Logic is simple. Eliminate a variable, the variable with same coefficient in both the equations. To eliminate, either add or subtract. Signs are same, subtract. Signs are different, add. As simple as that, right? There is an equation given, x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0, x plus y minus 11 is equal to 0. Let's solve it. Solve it means let's get the values of x and y by elimination method. The first thing that we need to do in this method is, we need to see to it that variables are in the left hand side and constants are in the right hand side. So that's the first step. Variables in left hand side, constants in the right hand side. So let us shift the constant 7 to the right hand side. We get x minus y is equal to minus 7. Don't forget to number this as equation number 1. Similarly, let's shift this constant minus 11 to the other side. We get x plus y is equal to plus 11. Number this as equation number 2. Now, we need to either remove x or we need to remove y. For that, first check their coefficient. We can only remove that variable which is having the same coefficient, right? Now look at the coefficient of x. In the first equation, the coefficient of x is 1. In the second equation also, the coefficient of x is 1. So x ka coefficient is the same in both the equations, so we can eliminate x. Hold on. Look at the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y in the first equation is 1 and the coefficient of y in the second equation is also 1. So here the coefficient of y is also the same, so we can eliminate y as well. So in this particular sum, here the coefficient of x as well as the coefficient of y is same. So we can remove any of the coefficients, any of the variables. X भी eliminate कर सकते हैं, y भी eliminate कर सकते हैं. To remove x, we need to subtract because x का signs are same. You all can see the signs of x, the signs are same. To eliminate x, we need to subtract. To eliminate y, we need to add because the signs are different. Now since we like to add, let us add the two equations. So let us add the two equations. We get, adding equation 1 and equation 2, x minus y is equal to minus 7, x plus y is equal to 11. Minus y plus y will get eliminated. We get 2x is equal to 18. We get x is equal to 9. Once you get the value of x as 9, now it's time for us to find the value of y. Now the question is how to get the value of y. To get the value of y, we will have to substitute x is equal to 9. The question is where to substitute x is equal to 9. You can substitute x is equal to 9 either in equation number 1 or equation number 2, whichever equation you like. If you like equation 1, substitute x is equal to 9 and you will get the value of y. If you like equation number 2, substitute x is equal to 9 in equation number 2 and you will get the value of y. So let's do the substitution. Substituting x is equal to 9 in equation number 2, we get, in the place of x, let's substitute 9. 9 plus y is equal to 11, y is equal to 11 minus 9, therefore y is equal to 2. So we get x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 2 is the solution of the given simultaneous equation. A very simple method, elimination. Eliminate a variable having the same coefficient. To eliminate, either add or subtract. Same signs, subtract, different signs, add. Simple, right?